In court documents released Monday, a decorated Iraq War veteran arrested in the killing of his estranged wife's mother, stepfather, and brother suffers from post-traumatic stress and had been increasingly delusional. Amanda Murray also told sheriff's deputies that her husband, Roy H. Murray, 30, of Lewiston, Idaho, blamed her family for the couple's marital problems. She also told investigators that Murray was the only person she suspected of having any reason to harm the three people murdered.